Hello everyone, welcome back on here. Today we are going to be making and baking some sausage rolls together. Do not forget to drop me your thoughts in the comment section and tell me what's the Nigerian snack you enjoy the most. Like and share this video to reach as many persons as possible. Now let's get started. To start with, I already measured out all-purpose flour 375 grams. I have salt and sugar on that plate. Sugar is 18 grams, 5 grams of salt. I'll be combining these three ingredients together. I have measured out my unsalted butter, cold unsalted butter, 265 grams. I'll be using the box grater to grate it down. You can use knife to cut them into small pieces before rubbing it into the flour. All done now. Combining all of the four ingredients together, butter, flour, salt and sugar. Now I'm going to be mixing to make it into bread-like crumbs. So I'll mix while lifting it up to incorporate air into the dough because I am trying to achieve a flaky pastry dough. You don't want to over mix, you want to do it very gently. All done now. You can see what we have, bread-like crumbs. Time to add the cold water. I created a hole in the center of the dough. Now we're adding our water. The cold water I have there is 130 grams. I'm not adding all of the water at once, just bit by bit until I bring everything together and achieve the consistency to which I want. All done now. I'm just wrapping and I'm going to set aside for about an hour in the refrigerator. This is to allow the dough rest for a bit. In the refrigerator it goes. Time to do our filling. Where I live, this is the filling we have sold in the store, so I'll be using that. Here it's already seasoned, so I'm just using only white pepper to eat. Whatever beef sausage filling you buy from the stores, ensure that you know what is in it. If it's already seasoned, do not add more salt or seasoning cube, else you'll be over salting your sausage beef filling. Now I'm transferring the filling into a piping bag. All done and ready. I'll just cut that tip out. We'll set that aside. Now I'm mixing egg and milk for the glazing and also to help seal the sausage rolls. Okay, now I have the dough out from the fridge. I dusted the table first before putting my pastry onto the table, and I'm rolling with my pastry roller. It's very important that you dust your surface with flour to enable you lift the pastry. I'm done flattening it out with the pastry roller. Ensure that your pastry is not too thick because you're going to roll it double or so. Now I am putting in the beef filling like so. So lift like I'm doing on the screen and we roll 1, 2 like so. Yeah, now we use the egg mixture to help seal it off, and then we roll one last time and cut and roll again to ensure that it is properly sealed. Now you cut into your desired size. I am using a straw to enable me cut into even shapes. All done now. I'm putting some incisions on the sausage roll to help it cook very well and then give it a beautiful look. We'll glaze with the egg mixture to give us a golden color when it's ready. I'm going to be baking for 15 minutes under 180 Celsius. Or bake until it is golden brown. Here it's out, beautiful, flaky and delicious.